Today we're working on the left rear, or the driver's rear axle of a 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. And we've got some ABS codes. We've already run through the diagnostics here and determined that we've got a faulty sensor. So we're going to go ahead and replace the left rear wheel speed sensor. Now there's an electrical connector up near the frame rail. You have to use a little pick to release the lock out of that. And then there's a bunch of different pieces where it's clipped into the rear axle as well as the frame. Make sure that you use all those also, because we're going to have this clipped in place and not actually damaged. So now we're down to the sensor itself. You can see we just got a 8mm bolt. So I'm going to take a ratchet. We could take a wrench here. Yeah, it's pretty open. Now this is a little unique. We don't have to pull the rear wheel off. Now if we pull this sensor out and we find a lot of debris in there, we might want to go a little bit further, but we're going to hope for the best. I'm going to use my pliers here. I don't want to snap this off inside the housing, but it gives me a little extra leverage to twist and pull it out. Now you can see this thing comes out looking pretty clean here. So I'm not too worried about metal shavings or something, a lot of debris like we might find on the tone ring of some vehicles. So I'm going to tuck that out of the side. I'm going to take my new sensor. I'm going to gently install it here. As you can see, it's a little bit of a struggle, so I might actually go in and clean that hole up just a little bit there. We'll make sure we get some good lubrication on here, and then we'll slide in the hole and install the bolt. We'll reroute the wiring. We'll clip it in place, and then we're going to lock it at the connection point up above the axle. So we've got our connector here. We'll clip it in place. We're going to clear any trouble codes, verify our repairs. But hopefully now you understand just what it takes to replace a rear wheel speed sensor on one of these 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HDs.